Oh god. How was your guys' weekend?
It's been good.
Oh god.
Good.
How's your nose, Debbie?
Much better. It's just a little off to this side and a little bit swollen, but all the bruising's gone away.
That's good.
Lesson 6 quiz, right? Root meeting quiz.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right, so start with number 3. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, so 5 observations, what is the shape of the distribution of means when the parent population is right skewed? Right skewed.
Yeah.
All right. Everybody agree? Yep.
Yeah, sure.
Are you there?
My internet's like so slow, so I'm like it's like loading.
Oh, we can wait for you.
Okay, there you go.
Um,
Okay, I'm there.
all right.
Okay,
You ready for
number
4?
3. What did we say for 3? That's cube, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Number 4, I'll read it. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
Normal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's so much larger than the previous one.
Yeah. Okay.
When
No.
the sample size is n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? Normal?
Yeah, normal.
Yeah, normal.
Yeah, normal goes with normal.
Yeah.
It's like when I read it, it just seemed like it was so confusing, but then I just realized I was making too much of it.
Mhm. Yeah.
We're on number 6 now.
Six, I'll read it. When you're taking a sample size n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means when the parent population is normally distributed? Would that be normal too?
Yeah.
Yeah. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Choose all correct responses, which tells us there's more than one. Okay, so if the population is normally distributed and the sample size is small, or is that, normally and the sample size is large. When the third one is definitely not. Fourth one, the data is from the population is right skewed and the sample is large. So
Would it be all of them except the third one?
yeah,
Yeah, I think so too.
excuse me. Number 8. Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? Ugh.
The last
Parent. Let's see.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yes, because it seems like the central limit theorem has to do with the shape, and the large number, whatever it's called, the large number, what it has to do with the standard deviations will be small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll read 9. Let X be a random variable with population mean equals 10 and population standard deviation equals 6. Suppose a sample size of n equals 36 is drawn from this population. What is the mean of the distribution of sample means?
1. Because it's the mean over the square root of the sample, and the 6 over 6 is 1.
Wait, what did you say, Debbie?
Everybody else? 1, it's like square root of 36.
Yeah.
But wouldn't that be our standard deviation?
Oh, yeah.
So like for 9, wouldn't it be just 10? Because that's what it says that the mean is. No?
Oh. Yeah.
Right or no?
No distribution.
So 10, and then number 10 is what's the standard deviation of the sample mean. So that would be the 1, and this would be 10.
Yeah, that's what I think.
I'm getting ahead of myself.
What's the formula again for standard deviation?
It's the standard deviation over the square root of the sample size.
Okay, thank you. I don't have my notebook with me with my notes, so.
Okay, last one.
Mm-hmm.
Only one more.
One more.
What is 12?
2 more.
All right. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, what would be the distribution of the sample mean?
Just normal.
Normal? Normal's such a unexciting answer. I don't know. Really? Number
So
12.
when would it not be normal?
If the
When
sample population is not normal and there's not a very large sample size,
yeah.
N is not large.
Wait, can you say that again?
When the population that the samples are taken from is not normally distributed and the sample size is not large.
Okay, so for example, number 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I got confused. Yeah, okay. I'll do 12. What theorem would justify your response to the last question?
Central limit.
Central, yeah, limit theorem. Okay, well, that was easy.
Oh, we got 100.
Yay!
Has anybody figured out if there's, when you're watching those videos that are a video of a PowerPoint presentation, like how to do a screen capture of one of the slides? I think it always turns out blank when I try it.
Oh. I don't know. I don't normally watch the videos.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Debbie.
Like when you're watching the video, it's just a video made out of a PowerPoint presentation.
Yeah.
And it's like they get to a certain slide that has a lot of good information on it. And I would like to like print that so I can just like put it in my notes
Mm-hmm.
instead of copying it all down. And I can't come up with a way to do that.
Oh, I see. What about if you like make a screenshot of like the page? Like take a screenshot of like what you're seeing, and that way you can just print that.
It comes out blank.
Have you tried, do you have a print screen button on the top of your keyboard?
Yeah, I do. I haven't tried that.
Usually that will, like, copy whatever you see on your screen. And you could try pasting that in, like, a Word document.
I'll try that. Okay, because I'd used some instructions that I got off the internet specifically for Chrome, but it didn't work. Okay. Alrighty. It won't kill me to write it down anyway. So I guess we're